What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a platformer on Scratch. Let's get started. First, make a character. I'll just make a simple square. Then make a backdrop. Okay, there. Okay, one green flag clicked, forever if sensing key, wait, if you want to add all of the keys, then do this. Up, and then W. Where's W? Here. And then hit an and, then touching color green. Oops. There. And put that in there. Oops. Bro, what? Put this in that if forever loop. And then go to variables. Name of variables speed Y. For all sprites. Then let me just rename this speed X. Okay. Set speed X to 0. Set speed Y to 0. Okay, then when that, set speed Y to 10. And then set speed X times 0.9, I guess. Okay, then go to motion, then take this out, then take that out, and then put speed X, speed Y, put that in there. Let me just remove that for a sec. Then put an if, just duplicate this, and this OR block. Put it here. Okay. And then do D or right arrow. Then change speed X by 1. And then it works. And then duplicate this. Oops. It's not supposed to happen. Then do A and left. There. Now we can go. Oops. Forgot to do this. Then now we can go left and right. Now our character's not falling down. So I'll just keep this. First, make a block. I'll make mine move X. Oops. Then there, and then jump there, put this there. Okay. Then just move. All right, there. So I'll sort it out, and it still works. Okay. Make one gravity. Oops. Gravity. Then gravity in that loop. Okay. Then add control if, then no, yeah, not sensing touching color of the ground. Then variables, change y by -1. Then if touching color, then change y by 1. I mean set y by 1. I mean set y to 0. There. Let's try that out. There. All done. There. Okay. Now we're gonna add like a thing to make it go to the next backdrop. Let me just name this into player. Then make a sprite. I'm just gonna make like a normal square. You can make anything that you want. Okay, there. Go back to the player sprite. Wait, name this next. And then go back to the player, add a new block, name it next. Okay, add next in the forever loop. Go back to the dot sprite, the next sprite, and then do when this one green flag clicked, then go to any position that you want. I'm gonna do this. Let me just change that. Okay, there. Then go back to player. Then this next thing has to go get out a if then go touching, touching next, then looks next backdrop. Then go back to the main forever loop and then switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Then you can make your own like backdrops. I'm gonna make mine. If you don't copy me, but if you want, you can. But it'd be better if you do your own. Okay, go to the next sprite, and then do forever if looks backdrop number equals to how many backdrops are there? If you have an end, then you have to add this. So backdrop 6. Yeah. And then if backdrop equals to 6, and then looks hide, but make sure to add a show when the red flag clicked, otherwise it will not come. Wait, something's wrong. Okay, there. Oops, I forgot to do something. Where's next? Okay. Make sure, wait. Okay. Motion, go to there, and then also add this over here. Okay. That's a problem. Okay. Wait, I just gotta fix something. Gotta fix where I spawn. Okay. Now test it. So far, so good. Oh, and we'll do the spikes part and lava next time. Bye.